Componendo and dividendo is one of the easiest way you can approach complex fractions, and it is very helpful when you actually want to work out with ratios. So it is very simple. You know that ratios as in you have a upon b, which can be written as a fraction, and when two ratios are equal, that is when we call it proportion. So componendo and dividendo happens to be the properties of proportion. Okay, so now the thing is, what is componendo is, let's say if you have a plus b and c plus d as equal fractions or equal ratios. If you know that these two are equal, then you can always add 1 to both sides and still get equal. So a by b plus 1 equals to c by d plus 1. Upon adding 1 and making the common denominator, all I'll have is a plus b upon b equals to c plus d upon d. Okay, so again, all these four terms that we are getting, they are still in proportion. Now likewise, if I take minus 1 both sides, then obviously the ratios will not change the meaning, or the ratios will continue to remain equal even if I'm subtracting 1 from both sides. So likewise, I can do it. A minus b upon b, the difference of the two terms divided by the second term, is equal to the same thing on the side. Now if you look at the two equations we got here, the sum and the difference, they can be in equal proportion or they can be equal, provided if the denominators are kept like this. What if I divide the two equations? Upon dividing this one and this one, I have the common denominators which cancel out each other. So all I'm getting is a plus b at the top divided by the difference equals to c plus d at the top, c minus d at the bottom. What does this mean? If you have a, b, c, d in proportion, that is if I have a by b equals to c by d, then all I can do is I can take the sum of the numerator and the denominator at the top while the difference at the bottom, and still whatever terms we have, they will continue to be in proportion. Even if I'm taking the new values, they are still in proportion. That's it.